Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, towing package, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.